In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a shipping class to a product quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're setting up an online store or managing an existing inventory, knowing how to efficiently apply shipping classes is vital for smooth operations. Let's dive into the process, ensuring each step is easy to follow for you. To begin with, you'll need to access your WordPress Dashboard. This is the main control panel where all the magic happens for managing your online store. Once you're logged into your WordPress account, make your way over to the dashboard. It's usually located at the top left corner of your admin panel, marked clearly to help you find it swiftly. From here, you can manage your site's content, settings, and most importantly for our task today, your products. Now that you're in the dashboard, direct your focus to the Products section. This is where all your items are listed, ready for you to update and modify as needed. Clicking on Products will present you with further options. Your next move is to select All Products. This gives you a comprehensive view of every product in your store, displaying them in a clear, table-like format so you can easily identify which items need your attention. Find the specific product you want to apply a shipping class to. Once you've spotted it, hover over the product name, and you'll see several action options appear. Click on Edit to access the full details and settings of this particular item. After clicking Edit, you'll find yourself looking at the product's details page. Scroll down this page slightly until you spot a tab marked Shipping. This is where you'll be able to define the shipping specifics for your product. Within the Shipping section, you'll notice a drop-down menu. If a shipping class hasn't been assigned yet, it'll likely say No Shipping Class. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal all the available shipping classes you've previously set up. If you're new to this, shipping classes help categorize products based on their weight, size, or packaging requirements, and they play a crucial role in determining the shipping cost at checkout. Select the shipping class that best fits your product. Just one click is all it takes to apply the appropriate shipping classification to your item. Finally, don't forget to save your changes, typically with a button at the top or bottom of the page, ensuring that all adjustments are reflected on your online store. And that's it. You've successfully applied a shipping class to your product. Adhering to these simple steps ensures your products are organized and equipped for hassle-free shipping calculations, enhancing both your efficiency and customer satisfaction. Congratulations on taking another step towards mastering your online store management.